Good morning, champions, and happy Tuesday. I hope today is an awesome day. Today we're going to do a quick review of multiplying whole numbers. I know you're going to do an awesome job, and so does Mr. Smiles. Let's dive right into our video. First, let's review some of the division that we did yesterday. 3,274 divided by 18. Before I can start dividing, I need to list my multiples of 18. Go ahead and list your multiples of 18 on your scratch paper, then put them into the computer. Check and see how you did. Now that we have the multiples of 18, let's decide where should we start our division. Let's start in the hundreds place. Now you can do the division problem. Go ahead and solve it on your own. The correct answer is 181, remainder 16. Check your work with mine. Now let's do some multiplication by powers of 10. When I multiply 4 and 92 hundredths times 10, what do I need to do to the decimal? I need to move the decimal one time to the right to increase the place value once. So what is the result of 4 and 92 hundredths times 10? The result is 49 and 2/10. I move the decimal once to the right to show place value increasing once. What do I need to do to the decimal to multiply 4 and 92 hundredths times 10 to the second power? I need to move the decimal 2 times to the right to show place value increasing twice. So what's the result? Well, when I move the decimal twice to the right, I get 492. Now let's complete a third problem. What's 4 and 92 hundredths times 10 to the third power? What do I need to do to the decimal in this problem? I need to move the decimal 3 times to the right. So what's the result? Well, I can move it once, twice, 3 times. The correct answer is 4,920. Now let's solve a decimal addition problem. What's 37 and 6/10 plus 18 and 95 hundredths? Well, first I need to line the decimals up. Now I can solve the problem. What's 37 and 6/10 plus 18 and 95 hundredths? Let's see how you did. 5 plus 0 is 5, 6 plus 9 is 15, 1 plus 7 is 8, plus 8 is 16. 1 plus 3 is 4, plus 1 more is 5. The answer is 56 and 55 hundredths. Remember, today we are going to solve multiplication problems. When you are multiplying by a 2-digit number, you need to separate that number into its 2 digits. So this would be like saying 4 times 386 plus 20 times 386. When you're multiplying by a 3-digit number, you need to separate it into its 3 digits. So this would be like saying 4 times 285 plus 70 times 285 plus 300 times 285. Today is going to be a lot more about independent practice, so I'm going to let you try both of these problems. Go ahead and solve 386 times 24, then check your work with mine. The correct answer is 9,264. Now try 285 times 374. Then check your work with mine. The correct answer is 106,590. Now try a few more. What's 2,768 times 48? The correct answer is 132,864. Check your partial products with mine. Now try another. What's 675 times 214? The correct answer is 144,450. Check your partial products with mine. Now let's try one last problem before we move on to IXL practice. What's 3,541 times 126? The correct answer is 446,166. You've done a great job with this video. Now it's time to move to IXL practice.